How AI is changing the stock market. The rise of AI in stock market trading. What if I told you that the stock market is being secretly controlled by algorithms? That the traditional way of trading stocks is being disrupted by artificial intelligence, allowing hedge funds to make billions, while individual traders are left in the dust? But the real question is, can AI truly replace human intuition? Or will we always have an edge over machines? In this video, we're going to uncover how AI is transforming the stock market, the hedge funds using it, and what it means for your investments. Today, we are exploring one of the most significant changes in the financial world, the rise of AI in stock market trading. You may have heard of high-frequency trading, but what does it actually mean for you as an investor? And how are hedge funds using AI to outpace individual traders? Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change the way you approach investing forever. AI versus human traders. Who wins? Let's start with the basics. How does AI compare to traditional human traders? In the past, stock trading was all about understanding financial statements, analyzing macroeconomic trends, and studying the movement of stock prices. But now, AI is capable of executing trades at a speed and accuracy no human could match. Let's break down the traditional methods first. Human traders typically rely on three main techniques to make decisions. First, fundamental analysis involves looking at a company's financial statements, like its balance sheet and income statement, to determine whether it's a good investment. It also includes assessing broader economic conditions. Then there's technical analysis, where traders study patterns on stock charts, trying to predict future price movements based on past behavior. Finally, psychological factors play a huge role. Human traders can act based on emotion, fear, greed, excitement, which often leads to irrational decisions. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, used these traditional methods, primarily focusing on fundamental analysis and making decisions based on patience and long-term thinking. However, in today's ultra-competitive high-speed stock markets, is Buffett's strategy still enough to stay ahead? Now let's dive into how AI changes everything. Machine learning is at the heart of AI trading. Unlike human traders who are limited by their own cognitive abilities, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of historical market data and learn from it. By identifying patterns and making predictions based on those patterns, AI systems can make more informed decisions than humans. In fact, some AI models are so sophisticated that they can find market inefficiencies and opportunities that would otherwise be invisible. One of the most revolutionary aspects of AI in trading is high-frequency trading, or HFT. With HFT, AI can execute thousands of trades in a fraction of a second. This speed is something human traders simply cannot match. Imagine being able to buy or sell thousands of stocks in less than a second based on real-time analysis. This is the power of AI. AI doesn't just stop at numbers and graphs. It also leverages sentiment analysis, a tool that allows it to scan social media, news outlets, and financial reports for key insights. AI can read thousands of articles in seconds, picking up on trends and sentiment shifts before human traders even get the chance to react. An example of AI in action. AI models can process 10,000 financial articles per second, adjusting its trades accordingly, well before the market has a chance to catch on. This gives AI a huge edge over traditional traders who rely on human intuition and emotion. The power of hedge funds. Using AI. Now that we've established the power of AI, let's take a closer look at how hedge funds are leveraging this technology to dominate the markets. One of the most famous hedge funds using AI is Renaissance Technologies, particularly their Medallion Fund, which has achieved an astounding 66% annual return since the 1980s. What sets Renaissance apart is their use of advanced mathematical models and AI to spot hidden patterns in the market. Their success comes from using AI to continuously refine their strategies, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve in an ever-changing market. Another giant in the hedge fund world is Bridgewater Associates, which uses machine learning to track thousands of economic variables and predict market trends. This allows them to make data-driven decisions on a massive scale, outpacing human analysts who can only handle so much data. Two Sigma Investments, managing over $60 billion, also uses AI-powered predictive models to drive their strategies. They use machine learning to identify market inefficiencies and predict price movements, constantly adjusting their models based on new data. These hedge funds are not just making millions, they're making billions, all thanks to their AI-powered systems that are far more efficient than traditional human strategies. But as powerful as AI can be, it's not without its risks. Some of the biggest failures in finance have come from AI systems that malfunctioned. Take the case of Knight Capital in 2012. A simple glitch in their algorithm caused them to lose $440 million in just 45 minutes. This was a massive blow to the company, and it highlights the dangers of relying too heavily on AI without proper oversight. Another major failure was the 2010 flash crash, where the stock market plunged 1,000 points in minutes, driven by a malfunction in high-frequency trading algorithms. This is a stark reminder that AI, while incredibly powerful, is also prone to errors that can cause massive disruptions. When AI fails, it doesn't just make a small mistake, it can cause catastrophic losses. And that's why many financial experts are urging caution when it comes to putting too much trust in AI-driven trading without human oversight. Retail investors and AI, a game changer for individual traders. So, what does this all mean for you, the retail investor? For the longest time, AI-powered trading strategies were reserved for large hedge funds and institutional investors. But now, platforms are emerging that bring these powerful tools to individual traders. eToro, AI recommendations for trading. One of the most accessible platforms for retail investors is eToro. This platform offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to mimic the trades of successful traders who use AI recommendations. This gives individual investors access to powerful tools that were previously out of reach. Interactive Brokers, AI Portfolio Management. Another platform, Interactive Brokers, offers AI-driven portfolio management. Here, AI helps optimize your investment strategy by analyzing your portfolio and suggesting trades based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Trade Ideas. AI scans for opportunities. Trade Ideas is another platform that uses AI to scan thousands of stocks for trading opportunities. By setting specific parameters, retail investors can have AI find trades that meet their criteria, whether it's a certain price range or technical indicators. For retail investors, AI isn't just for hedge funds anymore. It's an accessible tool that can help you make smarter, data-driven investment decisions. AI is transforming the way we think about investing. Whether you're a retail investor looking to make smarter trades or a hedge fund with billions in assets, AI is reshaping the financial landscape. But with this transformation comes both incredible opportunities and substantial risks. Stay tuned as we explore how AI will continue to evolve, its impact on the future of finance, and how you can harness this technology to maximize your investments. Now that we've explored how AI is reshaping stock trading and its dominance in hedge funds, let's turn our attention to how retail investors can utilize this technology. While AI tools have typically been reserved for big financial institutions, they are now becoming more accessible to individual traders. But before diving into the tools and platforms available to you, it's essential to understand both the opportunities and challenges that come with AI in finance. How AI is revolutionizing retail investment. AI has made it possible for retail investors to access the same sophisticated trading tools that were once exclusive to large hedge funds. For instance, eToro allows retail investors to engage in copy trading, where you can automatically mimic the strategies of top-performing traders who use AI-backed insights. This means you can benefit from the power of AI without needing to be an expert in data analysis or machine learning yourself. Another platform, Interactive Brokers, is using AI for portfolio management. The platform analyzes market conditions, adjusts your portfolio according to your financial goals, and makes real-time recommendations based on machine learning algorithms. The beauty of this system is that it minimizes the time you need to spend making decisions while maximizing your investment potential. For those who are looking for a more hands-off approach to investing, this is a game changer. Trade Ideas is another excellent tool that uses AI to scan the stock market in real time, analyzing thousands of stocks to find trading opportunities based on patterns, sentiment, and key technical indicators. Whether you're looking for opportunities in specific sectors or stocks that meet certain technical criteria, AI helps filter through all the noise and highlights the most promising opportunities. This tool effectively saves retail investors hours of research and delivers actionable insights almost instantly. These platforms show just how far AI has come in democratizing investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, AI can help you make smarter, more informed decisions, which was once reserved for institutional players. Conclusion: AI is reshaping how we approach investing, making it faster, smarter, and more accessible. Retail investors now have the tools once reserved for large institutions. However, as exciting as AI is, it's vital to stay vigilant and use it responsibly, ensuring that human oversight is always part of the equation. So, what's your take on AI and investing? Are you excited about the opportunities it offers, or are you cautious about the risks involved? We want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might be interested. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest insights from Finance Facts.